Well, let's focus on another company, JBM Auto. They delivered a rather good set of numbers. The question is, how much can they scale up in FY25? Mr. Nishant Arya, the VC and MD of the company, joins us on the show. Hi, Nishant. Good morning, and thanks a lot for joining in. Well, you've met your 5,000 crore revenue guidance for the past year. For FY25, what kind of a revenue guidance can you give us? And also tell us in terms of the number of buses that you delivered in FY24, and what's the target for FY25? Please go ahead.
Yeah, so we are looking at growing to about 6,500 crores plus in FY25. And definitely buses and electric vehicle segment would be contributing a lion's share along with the other verticals growing as well. Definitely in this financial year, things have picked up. As you see that our growth has been almost 47% in this Q4, and the PBT has grown by 122%. And similarly, if you see the EV segment itself, it's about 217% growth. So definitely we are seeing that as a big growth engine and contributor to the company.
Nishant, we have the basic numbers that you're telling us. So we got that number of 6,500 crores. Could you tell us the number of buses you delivered in last year, the EV buses? You're sitting on a good order book. So how much will you deliver in this year, those two numbers?
Yeah, so we are looking at about 2,500 buses plus in this financial year. And in the last financial year, we've delivered more than 1,000 buses.
Okay. So your target is 6,500 crores of revenues in FY25 and 2,500 EV buses that you'll deliver by the end of FY25, correct?
Absolutely.
Okay. Nishant, what about the EV division revenues? You've done about 1,750 crores in FY24. What is the target by the end of FY25?
So we would be targeting to enhance that by at least 60%. So close to the 3,000 crores.
Crores of EV revenues by FY25, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay, got it. So margins, last time you had told us that you'll retain your EBITDA margin guidance of 11 to 12% in FY24 and over 12% in FY25. So you've ended the year with around 11.6% margins. What is the scope of growth in FY25 and 26 for margins?
So FY25, definitely we'd be looking to go beyond 12%, as I shared with you. So we would be consistent on that target.
Okay. All right. So we've got the numbers out of the way. Two-part question that I wanted to ask you. One is, since the EV business is scaling up to such a good extent, are there any plans to demerge this business? Point number one. And point number two, for the last 12 months or so, there has been this rumor in the market that you all could probably be interested in SML Isuzu. What's the progress over there?
So there are no plans of demerger as of now. In the company would be focusing to grow all the businesses. And secondly, I would not like to comment on market speculation.
You want to deny it?
So if there is anything which is firmed up, we'll definitely be sharing with you.
Do you want to deny it, that you're not in talks at all?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, fair enough. So you're not in talks with them at all. You said 2,500 EV buses will be delivered in FY25. So those are the orders that you've already got, right? Any kind of further order visibility from any state transport undertakings that you perhaps could close in the next 12 to 18 months, incremental to this number?
Yeah, I think once the new government is formed, then things will become clearer. As you know that during this period, neither the states nor the central government bodies do end up sharing any details beyond a point. So current order book is 5,000 buses after delivering the buses in FY24. So these 2,500 buses will be delivering out of those buses in this financial year. And definitely we would be looking to participate and evaluate more tender opportunities as they come by, because buses are a big focus area for all cities and states across the country as
Correct.
of now. So.
Correct, got it. Any plans to list the EV business anytime soon? I mean, maybe not this year, next year, anything on the horizon at all?
Not yet, not yet.
Will you get a strategic investor in the EV business if you're not looking to list it?
Nothing as of now. We are growing.
But you all could
the business,
probably look at it in the coming year as things shape up, because this business used to be a smaller part. Now, as you told us, 3,000 crores of revenues. Shareholders will be waiting by to see whether or not there could be an investor comes in and some kind of unlocking.
No, definitely. All these opportunities always exist. So at the right time, we would like to harness these opportunities as they come by. But definitely, there's nothing going on as of now.
Okay, all right. Nishant, thank you for giving us a quick chat and telling us about the business. So that is JBM Auto. They're not looking to list the EV business anytime soon, and nothing planned towards getting a strategic investor either. They're expecting 6,500 crores of revenues by FY25. Just want